Guys, what's up? Today we got a busy day. First thing I gotta do today, take the 50-foot Cantius to the fuel dock and get it topped off for the weekend. The owner wants a 11-foot Williams turbojet tender, and there's two of them we're gonna go see. Ya vamos por 94. ¿Necesita ayuda? Sí, ya veo. Dame la, si quieres, la de atrás, de adelante.
No, esta la ponemos en el medio ya.
Sí, te amarro ahí en ese poste ahí.
Sí.
Perfecto.
Gracias.
No, no hay problema, yo sé cómo es. Y no tiene bow thrusters.
No, no tiene nada, este va con motores nada más.
Dale para atrás un poquito. Perfecto. Alright boys, we're topped off. So now we're gonna put her back on the dock. And we're gonna head up north to go look at those two thingies. First one we're gonna see is the cheapest one anywhere. It's $10,000. For those of you who don't know what a Williams jet tender is, most luxurious tender you can possibly get. It has an inboard jet motor, and they range from 20,000 used to 45,000 brand new. And the first one we're gonna go see is for 10,000. So I'm not expecting too much out of it, but maybe we can fix a few things and the owner can use it and enjoy it. The second one we're gonna go see is $20,000. It looks a lot better in pictures, but we'll see. All right, let's go.
Inside. But there's no like actual like damage where it's been like leaking and stuff. Like this has been sitting like this for so long, so it's not like losing air. It's not anything like that. But it's just not the most appealing looking boat ever, in my opinion. To retube this boat, you're probably looking between 2,500 and about 6,000. Somewhere in between there, between, you know, pretty bottom line tubes and other things like some nice tubes. The wrinkles, they don't wrinkle unless there's no air in them. We just, for moving purposes, we keep the air out of it. But this is a Novarania. They're the most sought after tenders because you can fully customize these just like Williams, but with different colors matching the hull. You can take this sign off, put the custom sign from the boat on. This is brand new. Yeah, this is standard pricing. It's $33,000.
That tender was a little bit neglected, too neglected. It is the cheapest one I found, and I can see why. Supposedly it only has 50 hours. It doesn't look like it has 50 hours. It looks like it's 400-hour boat. So we still got one more to go look at. It's 20 grand, $10,000 more than the other one, than the one we just saw. So let's go.
I have a big dock, so we can put the can choose anytime. Huh?
Oh yeah, here it'll fill no problem. Sorry. Sorry. You have a neutral? There you go. Okay. So the tach is not working right now. Supposed to be the fuel gauge works. Little turbocharger. Got it. You gotta press it. Oh, let me see.
There is a separate battery in the front
Okay.
for
The radio.
For the radio, okay?
And you don't know if it charges.
No,
Got it.
I haven't checked. I haven't checked the level of the battery, so that might be something to take a look at.
Okay.
When I bought it, it was working.
Okay. And obviously it doesn't have a trailer.
No.
Got it. Super nice little dinghy. He wants 20 grand for this. I'm gonna try to get him down to 18.5, 18. But let's see. Comment down below what you guys think. This one or the first one? The first one is 10,000. I think I can probably get it for 65. It needs about $5,000 of work. This one, at least it's turnkey, but it does need a little bit of work. He was telling me that the radio is not working, the tach is not working, steering wheel needs to be replaced, and at least the upholstery looks good and it looks clean. So this one's also a little bigger.
Just saw the second one. We don't know about it. I think it's a little big. It's really nice.
All right, boys, you heard her. We just saw the last one for the day. Comment down below what you think. Should we get these? Things are expensive, by the way. I don't know if you guys know about these Williams turbojet dinghies, but they're expensive. A brand new one, 13-footer brand new one, can go 45 grand. All right, so he wants 20. He told me the story that he bought it for 23 grand and he's willing to lose a little bit of money, and he wants 20 grand. It's nice, but it needs to be gone through. Like I said, it needs a new steering wheel. The radio doesn't really work, but everything else looks good. The other one is a little smaller, but it needs new tubes, it needs new electrical, I don't even know the condition of the engine. I didn't start it, and I know I can probably get that one for like 6,500. So comment down, and it comes with a trailer. This one does not come with a trailer. So comment down below what you guys think. It needs to be a turbo jet dinghy. I try to convince the owner to get an outboard dinghy, but he wants a turbojet thingy, and he's the owner. He gets what he wants. So comment down below what you guys think. If you guys see any for sale that are in the 20,000 or down price range, send them to my Instagram.
In Florida.
It doesn't matter. In Florida. If you guys see one in Florida, which I know you're not because I've looked for all of them, but if you guys see one, let me know. My Instagram, Boat Vibes. And yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see on the next video which one we end up buying.